6 major all-inclusive resorts are set to open across the Caribbean and Mexico this year, and most travelers still have no idea they're coming. We've been tracking these openings for months, and honestly, a few of them genuinely surprised us. Whether you're already planning a trip or keeping your options open, this list is worth watching to the end. Let's jump straight in. Starting at number 6, the Lopesan Punta Cana Expansion. This one is slightly different because it's not a single resort opening, it's 3. Lopesan is expanding its Costa Bavaro presence in Punta Cana with 3 new all-inclusive resorts, all scheduled to open in late spring 2026. Rather than being spread out, they're designed as a single connected zone, linked by Lopesan's open-air promenade, the boulevard, which will serve as the central hub for dining, nightlife, and entertainment. The simplest way to look at it is that guests will choose among 3 distinct styles, all within the same complex. The main anchor is Lopesan Caoba Lagoon, the largest of the 3 at 552 rooms. It's built around a lagoon-style, cenote-inspired pool concept, creating a water-focused layout with a large spa, a casino, and a broad mix of themed dining. Adjacent to it is Lopesan Serenity Bay, the adults-only option. With 239 rooms, it's designed for a quieter, more refined stay, centered on wellness, relaxed pool areas, and a calmer atmosphere while still allowing access to the wider facilities. The third property, Lopesan Splash Cove, is the family-focused option. It features 244 rooms and is organized around water park-style attractions, giving families a dedicated space without turning the entire complex into a children's resort. What makes this expansion worth watching is the concept. It's not one hotel, but a self-contained mini-destination where you can choose the experience that suits you while still sharing the same dining, entertainment, and infrastructure, making it one of Punta Cana's most significant new openings for 2026. At number 5, we've got Hyatt Vivid Punta Cana, and this one's interesting because it's not trying to be a classic adults-only resort. This is part of Hyatt's new Vivid concept, opening in August of 2026 in the Cabeza de Toro area of Punta Cana, just over 20 minutes from the airport, set between the beach on one side and the Bavaro Lagoon on the other. That layout alone gives it a slightly different feel from most properties in the area. The resort will feature 467 modern suites, including swim-out options, and the Vantage Club for guests seeking additional space, upgraded amenities, and access to a private lounge. Nothing overcomplicated, just a cleaner, more premium setup if you want it. Where Hyatt Vivid really sets itself apart is its approach to dining. There are 9 restaurants, but no reservations are required, so you're not planning your evenings around booking times. You just show up, pick a spot, and eat, which is something a lot of travelers actually care about more than endless restaurant lists. The overall vibe here will sit somewhere in the middle. Days are easy. Pools, beach time, maybe a yoga class, or something creative like a cooking or cocktail session if you prefer. Evenings will stay social but laid back, with live music and casual entertainment rather than big theater-style shows. This isn't a place for travelers seeking total silence, and it's not a party hotel either. It's more about keeping things flexible, modern, and low pressure, backed by a brand most people already trust. At number 4 is Majestic Mirage Costa Mujeres. This is where the list clearly steps into the upper tier of all-inclusive resorts. If you've stayed at a Majestic property before, you'll already know the brand approaches things with a slightly more elevated, detail-driven mindset, and Mirage represents their most premium concept to date. It officially opened on January 15, 2026, bringing that higher-end positioning to Costa Mujeres, just north of Cancun. What really defines Majestic Mirage is space. This is an all-suite, all-club resort, and even the entry-level room is a one-bedroom suite with an outdoor jacuzzi measuring over 1,000 square feet. So you're not starting in a junior suite and upgrading. That level of space is standard from the moment you arrive. The layout is split into 2 clearly defined sections. There's a family club, open to all ages, and the club, which is adults only for anyone 18 and over. Adults staying in either section still have full access across the entire complex, but those in the club get quieter pools, private lounges, and adults-only dining spaces when they want something more low-key. Service is another big part of the experience here. Every stay includes personalized butler service, guided check-in, 24-hour room service, premium in-room liquor, and a bottle of sparkling wine waiting in your suite. Dining options are diverse, covering everything from an Argentinian steakhouse and Japanese teppanyaki to Italian, Indian, and Mexican cuisines, along with beachfront seafood and a cafe-style coffee spot that stays open all day. Instead of relying on just 1 or 2 main venues, the strength here lies in the overall variety, offering guests plenty of choices for a longer stay. When it's time to slow things down, there are plenty of ways to fill the day without feeling over-programmed. There are multiple pool areas dotted with bolly beds for relaxed afternoons, a dedicated water park that works especially well for families, and plenty to keep you busy off the beach too. bowling, evening entertainment, and more once the sun goes down. Guests also have access to the Blossom Spa, located just next door, where cenote-inspired hydrotherapy pools and wellness spaces add a more indulgent, retreat-style option to balance out the busier parts of the stay. Majestic Mirage Costa Mujeres suits travelers who value space, consistency, and built-in service rather than add-ons. It's upscale, well-organized, and works equally well for couples and families, which is exactly why it earns its place at number 4. At number 3, W Costa Mujeres. This one's been on the radar for a while, and there's a reason we're bringing it up now. When it was first announced, W Costa Mujeres was positioned as a bold new addition to the area, bringing that signature W brand energy, modern design, social spaces, and a more lifestyle-driven take on luxury to one of the fastest-growing resort zones just north of Cancun, Mexico. However, despite the early buzz, there's been very little recent information released publicly. As of now, there's no confirmed opening date, no updated construction timeline, and no new official communication from the brand outlining when or if the project is moving forward as originally planned. That usually suggests one of two things. Either it's been delayed or reworked behind the scenes, or the project has been quietly paused while plans are reassessed. And rather than speculate, we think it's better to be upfront about that. This is still one worth keeping on your radar. If W Costa Mujeres moves ahead, it could be a very different kind of all-inclusive for the region. More design-led, more social, and more focused on experience than on scale. But for now, its status remains unclear. As soon as there's concrete confirmation or new details, we'll be covering it properly. But at this stage, it's one to watch rather than one to plan around. At number 2, Grand Hyatt Grand Cayman Resort and Spa. This is shaping up to be one of the most significant openings Grand Cayman has seen in years. Set directly on 7 Mile Beach along the island's western coast, Grand Hyatt will fill a long-standing gap for a large-scale luxury resort under a flagship global brand in this prime location. It sits just 10 minutes from the airport and offers around 900 feet of oceanfront, putting guests right on one of the Caribbean's most recognizable beaches. This one operates on a more flexible model rather than an all-inclusive one, appealing to travelers who prefer strong dining, open-ended itineraries, and the freedom to shape their own stay, which, for a destination like Grand Cayman, actually makes a lot of sense. Accommodation will range from rooms and suites to multi-bedroom residences, many designed with ocean views and oversized balconies, making it equally suitable for shorter stays or longer, more residential-style trips. Dining is expected to be a major focus, including destination-led venues such as a beachfront restaurant centered on open-fire cooking, a rooftop lounge for sunset drinks, and relaxed cafe-style options during the day. Beyond dining and the beach, guests will have access to multiple resort pools, beachfront lounging, and a full calendar of low-key activities that suit the island's slower pace, alongside water-based options like swimming, paddleboarding, and snorkeling directly offshore. Wellness plays a central role through the planned Mara Spa, featuring hydrotherapy and thermal experiences. While fitness facilities and outdoor movement spaces overlook the sea, families are supported through Camp Hyatt, while adults still have access to quieter pool zones and wellness areas. Add in large-scale event spaces with ocean views, and it's clear this is designed as a cornerstone property for the island. At number 1, Secrets Macao Beach, Punta Cana. Scheduled to open in 2026, Secrets Macao Beach is one of the most anticipated adults-only launches in the Caribbean. This 406-room, all-inclusive will sit directly on Macao Beach, a stretch of coastline known for its more natural setting and laid-back atmosphere compared to Punta Cana's busier resort zones. The layout is designed with space and flow in mind, built around multiple pool areas rather than a single high-energy hub. Expect a mix of expansive main pools for daytime socializing, secluded relaxation pools, and exclusive rooftop pool access for preferred club guests, all positioned to maximize ocean views. Accommodations lean firmly upscale with over 120 suites offering direct pool access from your room, including 13 panoramic options on the upper levels. Junior, master, and presidential categories round out the lineup, all emphasizing privacy and generous layouts. Public spaces keep the same adults-only feel, favoring open-air lounges and refined gathering areas. Dining is set to be a standout, with 9 restaurants and 9 bars planned. In addition to international a la carte options, highlights include a farm-to-table restaurant in an on-site organic garden, an all-day cafe, a sports bar, and a cigar lounge. Evenings will follow the familiar Secrets format, centered on live music, shows, and easygoing nightlife rather than large-scale clubbing. Guests also gain limited access to select facilities next door at Dreams Macao Beach, adding flexibility without compromising the adults-only feel. Backed by Hyatt Hotels Corporation, this resort combines setting, scale, and polish, making it a clear number 1 for 2026. That's it from us. If you enjoyed this video, there's plenty more waiting on the channel. Thanks for watching and happy travels.